In this video, I'll show you how to scan the RMS or loudness of your recording in Reaper. In my first tutorial, I mentioned downloading the SWS extension. If you haven't done that, here's the site again. Make sure you reboot Reaper after installing, or else it won't recognize the plugins. Now that we have that installed, the first thing we need to do is to highlight the audio you want to scan. If you have multiple takes selected, it will scan each one, which can be super annoying if you do it on accident and have a ton of files, so just try and be aware of that. Now we go up to the top, click Actions, Show Action List. In the filter line, type RMS. Now we need to click SWS, Analyze and Display Item Peak, and RMS Entire Item. You can set a shortcut down here if you'd like to make it a little easier. I set mine to Control 1 so I can just do a quick scan. Make sure you have that highlighted, then hit Run. And that's how you scan the RMS. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or would like to know anything specific in Reaper, please just leave a comment and I'll try my best to add it in a future video. Thanks for watching.